Hi, and welcome to the video. Are you nervous about speaking in public? You're not alone. It's a common problem called speech anxiety, but there are ways to help you overcome it. Today, we are going to discuss 10 tips to overcome speech anxiety. First, let's talk about what is speech anxiety. Speech anxiety, also known as glossophobia, is a common fear characterized by nervousness and apprehension when faced with public speaking situations. It affects people from all walks of life, hindering effective communication and professional growth. Understanding the roots of speech anxiety is crucial to overcoming it. Glossophobia has multifaceted roots rooted in psychological and evolutionary factors. Understanding these origins can aid in addressing and overcoming this common fear. Fear of judgment. One significant psychological cause of speech anxiety is the fear of being judged or evaluated by others. Individuals may worry about how their words, delivery, or ideas will be perceived, leading to heightened anxiety and self-consciousness. Self-consciousness. Feeling overly self-aware during public speaking contributes to anxiety. Individuals may become overly concerned about their appearance, body language, or potential mistakes, leading to increased nervousness. Evolutionary roots. Public speaking anxiety is often considered a primal fear deeply ingrained in human evolution. Evolutionary psychologists believe this fear is rooted in the survival instinct, where the fear of social rejection or ostracism was critical for the survival of our prehistoric ancestors. Fear of death. The fear of public speaking is sometimes considered even more intense than the fear of death itself. This extreme anxiety suggests a deep-seated fear related to social connection and societal acceptance. Psychological factors. Speech anxiety can be influenced by various psychological factors, including past negative experiences, low self-esteem, and performance anxiety. These factors contribute to a heightened sense of vulnerability and fear in public speaking situations. Understanding and addressing these roots can be instrumental in developing effective strategies to manage and overcome speech anxiety, empowering individuals to communicate confidently in public settings. So now, how do you overcome speech anxiety? Here are those 10 tips we promised. Don't expect perfection. Instead of striving for flawless delivery, embrace the idea that imperfections make your speech authentic. Audiences connect more with genuine speakers who navigate challenges gracefully. Understand that minor slip-ups are part of the human experience, allowing you to ease the pressure on yourself and foster a more relaxed atmosphere during your presentation. Be yourself. Authenticity breeds confidence. Embrace your unique style of communication rather than attempting to conform to perceived expectations. When you bring your true self to the podium, you establish a more genuine connection with your audience, making them more receptive to your message. Remember your purpose. Before stepping on stage, reflect on the purpose of your speech. Understanding the significance of your message can fuel your confidence and enthusiasm. Knowing that you have valuable insights or information to share will instill a sense of purpose, motivating you to overcome anxiety and engage your audience effectively. Prepare and practice. Thorough preparation is a cornerstone of confidence. Develop a well-structured outline for your speech, rehearsing it multiple times. Familiarity with your content enhances your ability to navigate unexpected challenges, allowing you to focus on delivering a compelling presentation. Seek public speaking opportunities. Actively seeking opportunities to speak in public gradually desensitizes you to the fear of communication apprehension. By exposing yourself to various speaking engagements, you become more comfortable and confident in addressing diverse audiences. Record yourself. Record your practice sessions to identify areas for improvement and build confidence. Shake off the jitters. Physical activity can be an effective pre-speech ritual. Take a moment to shake off nervous energy by stretching your arms, running in place, rolling your shoulders, and moving your neck and jaw. This simple routine can help release tension and create a more relaxed state before speaking. Practice alone. Practicing alone allows you to focus on the words you want to say, developing muscle memory for smooth delivery. Repeatedly going through your speech in a private setting builds confidence and helps refine your message without the pressure of an audience. Take your time. Nervous speakers often rush through their presentations. Be deliberate in your speech, taking pauses to gather your thoughts. Speaking at a moderate pace not only enhances clarity, but also projects confidence. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary details and tangents. Being concise ensures that your audience stays engaged and focused. Clear, to-the-point communication reduces the risk of feeling overwhelmed and helps you maintain control of your message. These in-depth tips encompass psychological strategies, physical exercises, and practical approaches to help individuals overcome the challenges of public speaking anxiety. fostering a path toward confident and impactful presentations. If you enjoyed the video or found value in the information presented, please like the video and subscribe if you're going to try one of these tips. Thanks for watching and good luck on that next speech.